Hi, I'm Todd with the Digital Dealership System. In this video, we're going to learn about the best opportunities for you to market to your customers in the service area. When customers come into your service area, it's a great opportunity to market your sales and services, and as well as move a customer from the service area into the sales environment. It also is a great opportunity to let them know what services you offer beyond just the oil change and tire rotation. Lets them know that they could buy tires from you as well as get their full vehicle service and that you service any vehicle, make, or model. The correct system, or the system that we recommend, that we talk to dealers about all the time, is a system that has a greeter board or an appointment board when somebody comes in, as well as a Dare to Compare board. Those pair really well next to each other. We got some great videos online of installations that we've done with exactly that. When you have the service menu, you have your pricing. It's very important to show customers what your standard pricing is. That way, when they come in with their coupon, there's value to that coupon. I would suggest putting regular pricing on the service menu. Right next to the service menu and the right-hand side of the service menu is your sales and service specials, as well as call to actions and your branding. Video coupons, information about the additives and other services, maybe detail information, or that you have a low price tire guarantee. And then next to that, we recommend putting up a board with the Dare to Compare board. The Dare to Compare branding board is a great opportunity to speak digitally to your customers about why buy from you, not only in price, but also in the services you provide. Do you offer a free car wash with service? Put a checkbox by yours and put an X by your competition. Do you have a low price tire guarantee? Well, why don't you show the pricing of your tires compared to the other distributors in the area? Then rotate that with videos to entice people to look at the screen. In the lounge, we offer 4 different lounge TV products. So you could have commercial-free TV, appointment board integration where the customer can see when their car is ready. You could also go ahead and use our dealer TV that has over 8 hours of content that gets updated every 90 days, or regular broadcast TV. Surrounded with your dealer marketing keeps your brand in front of customers while they're watching regular TV. We often get asked, how much is the right amount of digital signage for the service area? Well, the great thing about our system is that it's completely expandable without increasing your budget. For the same monthly fee, you're able to go ahead and run as many TVs off of our system as you want. That means you could have 3 or 4 TVs with your service menu and 3 or 4 TVs with your Dare to Compare, as well as TVs in your lounge, all off the same 3 boxes. It's a great opportunity to increase your ROI without increasing your expenses. When you get a chance, go online to digitaldealershipsystem.com and learn more about our service packages.